Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef in the oven. Start by patting the beef dry, season generously with salt and pepper, and let it rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees F. Sear the roast in a hot pan for color. Then transfer to the oven and roast until the internal temperature reaches your target for desired doneness. Then rest before slicing. Use bold but balanced seasoning to enhance natural beef flavor and avoid masking it. Rub the meat with oil and aromatics, or marinate for a few hours for deeper taste. When using salt, apply it evenly and allow time to penetrate the meat. Fresh herbs and minced garlic work well, and a splash of acid brightens the dish. Always pat dry before searing to get a perfect crust. Monitor internal temperature with a reliable thermometer and avoid overcooking. Carryover heat will raise the temperature by several degrees while resting. Roast time varies by cut and size, so rely on temperature, not the clock. After removing from the oven, tent loosely with foil and rest to keep slices juicy. Slice against the grain for maximum tenderness and serve with pan juices or a simple sauce for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.